Hello and welcome to the third video of the playlist where I am solving 5 of the cryptography problems from picoCTF. For the third one, I'm going to solve mini RSA. The description says, what happens if you have a small exponent? There is a twist though. We padded the plain text so that m to the power of e is just barely larger than n. So first let's try and understand what is small exponent thing. So for small exponent encryption method, we have n, the ciphertext, and m. If m to the power of e is less than n, we have to calculate m the root of using the value of e as root of the ciphertext. And if m to the power of e is greater than n, we have to use m equals the root e and c plus kn inside root. Since the value of e is 3 here, we are using cube root. Okay, so then they have provided Python code to calculate this value of m. Okay, so that was all about small e. Now let's see what this ciphertext file contains. So the ciphertext file contains information up to this. They have given the value of n, which is a very large integer, the value of e, and the ciphertext, which is also another very large integer value. So now I will be calculating m using the second formula that we have seen, which is c plus kn inside root, because they have told us here that m to the power of e is just barely larger than n. So it is still larger than n, so we are going to use the second formula. Okay. Now, after calculating m, it is understandable that we will be getting another very large integer value. So I will be converting that large integer value to bytes using long to bytes function. And I will be checking if our flag is inside that value of m. So I have taken the bytes format of pico and compared it with the bytes format of this value of m. So I have given the if condition that if pico is in fact here, then I'm going to break the loop and print that value of m. Otherwise, I will be printing the string not found and a count where I'm keeping track of the number of iterations. So now let's run this. Okay, so after about 3533 iterations, we get the flag as I have given the range 4000 here. You can even exceed it if you want, but the one of the hints was that you should not have to make too many guesses. That is the reason why I have given the range 4000 here. So there you go. We have found our flag, and if I just copy this and paste it here, there you go. The third problem is done.